What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got the boys out here with me today. Hi, Hongo.
Hello.
Why are you so bald?
Dude, I hate it.
Why? Hello, Kyule. It feels like
Sandpaper.
Dude. I hate like the first 2 days of it. It just feels naked.
Hongo got something that you guys have been kind of asking for in the comments. You guys have always asked us when we're going to do blow-off valves on our cars. Ed already has one, huh?
yeah.
Sounds pretty good? Or what?
I like it. Same one as that. Oh.
So Ed
What'd you
has
get, Hongo?
it. Ed has it, but did he install it though?
Okay.
Ed took it to a shop.
I was there.
Well,
I witnessed it.
I was there too. So I got the Go Fast Bits blow-off valve. I had two options, so between this one and the Turbo Smart. But I don't know. I guess I wanted the
50-50?
yeah, the 50/50. You can like switch it.
We're going to be installing this blow-off valve on Hongos STI today. Think it's going to be loud?
Well, just like Ed's.
Just
I mean,
like
Ed's car is too loud though.
Yeah,
You
I
can
know,
even-
you
so I
can,
can
you
probably
can
hear
barely
You
hear
can
it.
barely hear it, so.
I'm just gonna send it, dude. I don't think we need this. We'll figure it out.
Yeah. We just send it. If it blows up, it blows up.
I can't even take it
You're
out.
not gonna be able to.
Show 'em how it's done, Ed.
No, it's hella.
Show me your gains.
It's no what? No se puede, vale. You have to cut it.
What the? Cut it? Hell no.
Hey, are you getting the 2020 Supra?
If I had money.
Or the Corvette.
Dude, Hongo has like half that money right
For real.
now.
No, I don't.
This little pipa. It's just 2 screws.
Yeah.
It's hella hot, but. Oh, fuck.
Don't strip, man.
Here we go. Oh!
Now we put this.
Right.
Here.
What
Remember
the-
which way it was?
It was like, well, it has to match up.
Oh, true.
Come on, Hongos.
Right there.
Oh, wait, hold up.
That's what I'm saying.
So it goes like that. So it goes like
Other way.
that.
No.
Yeah,
No.
because it goes like this.
Yeah, but you have the hose on the bottom.
That's what I'm saying. You have to save that one.
No, but there's no gasket for that either.
No?
No.
It's right there.
What's on there?
Yeah.
Oh, don't touch
It's hot.
Don't touch it.
Still good?
Probably better buy a new gasket, but we kind of live 40 minutes away from anywhere.
I think this is going to be the easiest install we've ever done on the channel. With
We're
actually
done.
no issues.
Yeah.
Imagine.
Yeah.
So we already ran into an issue.
wait. Are these the only ones?
Well, we can use the same ones. But
Yeah, just use the same ones. But still, it's...
look at the design of this. Like, hello.
I feel like there's a way to take this off.
So we're not really sure if you have to get a tune for a blow-off valve. There's a couple of websites that recommend it, and then there's some that say you don't need it. So right now, Hongo's just full sending it, just playing it out. If his car blows up, it blows up.
Get the Supra next week.
Supra next week.
Hold on.
You put that one in first.
Dude, it's hot. It's still hot.
Fucking Hongo.
Go send it
Go.
over. Send it.
I can't. I'm burning.
Mira. Wow.
Hella burn.
If I burn myself, I'll fucking kiss you. Oh, dude, that was already hella hot. And you have small hands. Oh, fuck. You have small hands, go. Oh,
Dude, it's hella hot.
oh dude, that shit hella burn.
Do we spend more time like planning to get together than?
We do install. Really excited to hear the blow-off valve on Hongo's car because, like he said, Camacho's is a lot louder. Like his car is a lot louder, so it's harder to hear the blow-off valve. But Hongo's is significantly quieter, so we might be able to hear the blow-off valve a lot louder.
Squeaky ass.
I don't know. I don't hear anything. You hear anything? I don't hear it.
I mean, it pops, but I don't know if it did that before.
I just don't hear the.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, that's loud. I hear it now. Damn, Hongo hella smells like gas.
I know, fuck. Call me Marco.
And I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I tried my best to clean the sensor that you guys were talking about on the camera, and I don't notice any black spots around me, but if you guys do it, let me know in the comments, but I think I got rid of them. Let's see Hongos pull-out game.
Huh?
What the fuck? We're gonna hop in Hongos' car and go see if we can hear the blow-off valve once we're driving. That sounds good.
You can actually hear, huh?
Yeah.
I like Eds.
Ooh, yeah.
I'm just saying.
What are you trying to say, huh?
I'm just saying you can't hear Eds, dude. You can. That's sick.
It sounds hella good.
Just so I can hear the blow. You like a full throttle here, see if it pops.
It did. Did you hear
I
it?
heard a little bit.
Well, it's not gonna be like yours.
Send it though.
Alright, we'll go right here. Dude, honestly, that's sick.
That's so sick, yeah.
Even if there is no like backfire, dude, just hearing the.
It sounds so nice.
Now we're gonna try and hear it from the outside. That's loud, dude.
loud.
It's actually loud.
Dude, it's fucking
It's hella
loud.
loud. Let Ed drive it.
You drive it, go.
You drive it.
You.
Oh, he's scared. Just drive.
Drive it, Ed.
Go.
Go. Now Ongo wants to hear it, so I'm gonna hop in the driver's seat and he's gonna listen to it.
Ed, record.
Aguanta. Dude, I actually thought it was like a fucking bug or something.
I'm gonna put this in your mouth and say yeehaw.
Hell no. Has to be yellow.
So we're gonna take a look at Camacho's car because his car is doing what mine was doing before Ruben fixed it in the last video. If you guys remember, I had a vacuum leak and that's why my boost was kind of cutting off. Camacho's is kind of the same, except his is like lagging and then it hits. So we're gonna check it out. What we're gonna double check real quick is the boost control because that's where I had a vacuum leak. So maybe it's the same.
Yeah, hopefully.
All the lines to the boost controller seem like they are in and there's no leaks there. Everything by the blow off valve seems okay. So I think dude, new car for sure. That's probably what it is. What's up, Sammy? Guys, this is Sammy's Evo. Hongo Evo?
I don't want to beat on it because it's not my car, but
Yeah, don't beat on it.
it's kind of disrespectful to do that.
Oh, fuck. Ooh, that sounds nice.
Dude, that's only at 3K.
Yours kinda does that, but it's like not as loud. Damn, that thing's loud.
Dude, that's only to 4K. It is loud. Dude.
Dude, it sounds good.
Hell yeah, bro.
A little flutter. It's super hot outside, so we're actually gonna take a break. We're gonna chill, and we'll meet up with the rest of the boys later and go shoot some pictures. Yo, the boys are back out here.
Were you sleeping? I was sleeping too.
Hongo, where are we going?
Car wash.
Let's go. Same place.
What?
Did you get your car running good?
Look at that. No check engine.
Does it boost good?
And it boosts like a beauty.
Damn, Hongo. Scraping. That shit's touching.
Mira, te ganaron. They have a biggie. What's that, Hongo?
Tire cleaner or wheel cleaner.
The degreaser.
I just went like
Huh?
this.
Or should I, wait, where you gonna go?
We're at the car wash right now.
Okay, look.
Oh, you watched it?
No, we
Yeah,
could've just gone
like,
to his
little
house.
one, I'm just trying not to get fucking.
What's up, Diego?
My hands are hella wet. Dude, there's everyone.
Guys, this reminds me of last summer where all the boys would get together. Look at all the Subis out here again. Everyone. What's up, Bob and Noah?
Oh.
How's the unequal length life?
Good. Happy.
We're just ending today like any other summer day. Just out with the boys, shooting pictures. Honestly, I'm gonna miss these days when there's snow all over the ground again.
We hope you enjoy Hongos blow off today. I think we're just gonna end the night and enjoy it. So we'll catch you guys in the next video.